Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum students. I am very happy that we are meeting again. Hope you all are fine and happy at your homes. Students, now go and bring your science book. We are going to start our today's lecture. You know that the human body is made up of many systems, and each system is doing its own job. Every system has its own functioning. Students, our today's topic is actually the continuation of the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, we discussed that there are 7 major systems of the body. Among these, we have discussed 4 of them. We discussed about the skeletal system, we discussed about the muscular system, digestive system, and the circulatory system. Today we are going to discuss 3 more systems: the respiratory system, the nervous system, and the excretory system. So first we will discuss about the respiratory system. Students, you must know that the respiratory system is involved in breathing and the absorption of oxygen in the body. This system, the respiratory system, is made up of 3 organs: nose, windpipe, lungs. Again, it is made up of three organs: nose, windpipe, lungs. These 3 organs are responsible for taking in oxygen inside the body and pushing the air outside the body. Here, look at this picture. The respiratory system is started from the nose, and from the nose it is connected to the windpipe, and then the windpipe are connected to the lungs. There are 2 lungs, the right lung and the left lung. So these all organs are making, these 3 organs are making the respiratory system. First, when we inhale, जब हम सांस लेते हैं, the air goes inside the body through nose, then to the windpipe, and then this air passes to the lungs. Here in the lungs, the gas which is called the oxygen gas. एक gas कौन सी है? Oxygen gas. This gas is present in the air. ये गैस जो है वो एयर में होती है. So जब हम एयर अपनी बॉडी में लेके जाते हैं, the oxygen also reaches to the lungs and it become the part of the body. It gets absorbed into the body. Absorbed means it become the part of the body, right? So this respiratory system helps the body in taking in the air inside the body and also absorbing the oxygen to the body, right? The next is the nervous system. The nervous system is made up of the brain and the nerves. These 2 organs make up the nervous system. Students, do you remember about the word nerves? You have studied earlier when we were discussing about the sense organs. Good. These nerves are present in the sense organs and they are taking signals from the sense organs, and then they are passing the message which they have taken from the sense organ to the brain. What they are doing? These nerves, they are taking signals from the sense organs, and then they are passing these signals, the message which they are getting from the sense organs, to the brain. Look at the picture. This is your nervous system made up of brain and the nerves. The blue lines are the nerves. You can see they are present throughout our body. That's why they are taking information from our surrounding and sending it to the brain. The next system is the excretory system. The excretory system enables the body to remove waste materials. There are certain chemicals which are present inside our body which are very harmful for us and they has to be removed. उन कुछ ऐसे केमिकल हमारी बॉडी में होते हैं जो कि हमारी बॉडी के लिए खतरनाक हो सकते हैं. They should be removed from our body, and the system which is involved in removal of those materials is called the excretory system. Excretion means the removal of waste material. Excretion means removal of waste material. So the organs which are involved in this activity in the removal of the waste material are lungs, kidneys and the skin. Lungs remove the harmful air from the body, kidneys remove urine from the body, and the skin removes the sweat which is containing many harmful chemicals. Sweat जिसे हम पसीना कहते हैं. ठीक है जी. This is our kidney which is responsible for removing urine, and the lungs are responsible for removing harmful air. Here is the overview of the today's lecture. We have studied three systems. The first is the respiratory system that is responsible for providing air to the body. Then the nervous system is involved in processing the information, and the excretory system is involved in the removal of waste product from the body. Here are some keywords which you must learn by heart. First one is the digestion. Then respiration, excretory, nerves, circulatory, sweat, stomach, arteries, veins, kidneys. You must learn them. Then with this, our chapter is complete. Now move to the exercise. Circle the first question of the exercise is circle the correct answer. Which organs controls all the systems and organs in the body? The answer is brain. Which two sense organs do we use when we cross the road? While you are crossing the road, we are using your eyes and ears. Number 3 is which waste product does the skin get rid of? हमारी skin के through कौन सी waste product remove होती है? That is the sweat. पसीना निकलता है. Which organ tells us what we are seeing? Our brain tells us what we are seeing. What does the blood travel in to move around the body? That is veins and arteries. Question number 2 is match each body part to the correct system. Here the few body parts has been given and you have to tell to which system they are belonging. Muscle belong to muscular system. Bones belong to skeletal system. Arteries belong to circulatory system. Nerves belong to nervous system. Stomach belongs to digestive system. Okay ji, now question number 4. Question number 3 is not included in the syllabus. Question number 4 is answer the following questions. Number 1, which organ make up the respiratory system? The respiratory system consists of the nose, windpipe and lungs. Which organ, number 2, which organs pump blood to all parts of the body? The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Question number 3 is, how does the framework of bones and muscles help us? What would happen if we did not have the framework? The framework of bones supports and protects the body organs and muscles and allows us to move different parts of body. If we did not have these frameworks, we are unable to move our body. Number 5 is, do all people have all 5 senses? Yes, mostly all people have all 5 senses. Next is the diagram. You have to label the diagram of page 6, that is of digestive system, and in this diagram you have to label the food pipe, liver, stomach, large intestine, small intestine. And for of the page, you have to label the respiratory system, that is this one, and you have to label four parts: nose, windpipe, right lung, and the left lung. So this was all about the exercise. Now we have completed our first unit. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. Inshallah, we will facilitate you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.